Wow! Wow! Things we need: computer sheets, hard paper, glue, marker colors, pencil, tape, scissor, scale and white pen, magnet. So let's start. 18 centimeters asterisk 16 centimeters.
Oh, ho, 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 ho.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye!